Hello viewers, welcome to Mitseka. Today I'm going to teach you about sorting and filtering data. So I have seen that this filter is not available on the older version of Microsoft. Please make sure that you use Microsoft 365 so that you can have this interesting filter function that I'm going to show you. And it's very interesting, guys. Make sure that you watch the video to the end so that you can learn more about this, and make sure that you like, subscribe and you share so that you cannot miss any videos that are coming. Before I can go straight into sorting and filtering, I just want to thank two companies that have sponsored this video to be real like this. And the first one is MoreBNB. This MoreBNB is the money making platform. Let me just zoom it in so that you can see. This is the MoreBNB. So these are the figures that are being shown in South regions like South Africa and Lesotho. So this is the income that will come to you if you have joined this MoreBNB. It's a money making platform. So you have to just join with 800 so that you can be part of this team that are in. And I will give you their Facebook page so that you can like and follow more. And so the other one is Benjas Master Tech. They are the one that they are specializing on creating school management system. So these are the features that they provide on their school management system. So make sure that you subscribe or you follow also this Benjas Master Tech. They can also design for you. They can design, they can do systems, everything that involves technology they can do it. So Benjas Master Tech, this is their Facebook page. Please make sure that you follow this Facebook page and you ask questions if ever you have, or if ever you want as an assistant in designing, system creating, web development, everything, guys. You have to just contact these people. They can do everything for you. And this is the page of MoreBNB. This is a money making platform that I was talking about. So make sure that you go to Facebook and like this and follow. By sorting is that we are going to sort all of this data so that it can be in a presented manner. So let us say now we can see that we have an employee ID which is 198, and this one is the let us take this one. This one is the smallest ID number from all these ID numbers that we see over here. So we want to sort this data in such a way that the first employee ID should be the smallest one, and the largest one should be the last one on the list. So we are going to do this by going to sort and filter. Then we have ascending and descending. And meaning, what do we mean by ascending? Ascending is going to sort all of this data in a way that the first employee is the smallest ID, and the last employee ID is the largest one. So that is what is meant by ascending order. So we are going to click here on ascending order. So this is the pop-up that we get after doing our sorting. So we have to make sure that we expand and sort, because if ever we don't just expand and sort, it's going to misplace our data. So we have to make sure that it is expanding throughout all the columns that we have here, because if ever we don't take this, it's going to flip the ID numbers and the first name of this our data, and it is going to mess up our data. So we have to make sure that we expand and sort. You can see everything is clear now, and we can see we have the first employee ID which is 100, and this one is the smallest one, followed by this one, and in this way our data has been sorted out. So I just want us to go straight into this interesting function that I want to show you today, which is named filter function. So we have to do what? We have to take all these columns that we have here and paste them here. We are just going to filter our data concerning or dealing with whatever we have typed. I'm going to show you what we will do here. Alright, now let me just include another column that we are going to compare with. Let me quickly insert a column here. This column, I want to name it district. Districts. Alright, then we have district of Leribe, we have district of Maseru, Leribe again, we have Berea, we also have Leribe again. So I'm going to drag this down. I'm going to drag it down like this. Let me take Maseru so that you can also have it here. Right. So we are going to sort our data using this district that I have included here. So I have to take this column that I have created and place it here, and place it here. Then here we want to sort our data using Leribe. We want to show only the employees that are currently living in Leribe. Right. So I'm going to use our function now, and we can just go to, let me place my cursor here, and we can just come to function here, and we have to type filter. If it is not showing on your function inside here, you can type it out and click on it and click on next. So this is the array, and the array is where we are going to look for our data, and our data is this one, all of this table here. We are selecting all of this table here, and on the include part here we have to select what we are going to sort with, and we are going to sort using our districts here. So we have to select our district, and we say equals to what? Equals to this Leribe that we have here that we are going to compare with. And so on this part is going to show it is checking if the field is empty. So if the field is empty, we have to provide something that is going to show if ever our district is not shown. So I think we can just type inside our quotation marks here, we can just say no such district, no such district. Then we insert. So you see it is populating. So this is very interesting, guys. We have to use filter on your data analysis if you are doing data analysis every day. So this is the very interesting function that we can use, which is named a filter function. You see, guys, so this is very interesting. So let us change this one to be in a form of data validation, so that we cannot always type here. So let me remove this one and show you. If I type Maseru here, Maseru, and you see it is populating, or it is showing only the data that is sorted using Maseru here, or the employees that are currently in this district of Maseru. So we can just delete here and type Berea, hit enter. You can see this is very interesting, guys. So let me on this one apply our data validation. Then we come to our data here, and this is the data validation. On data validation, we should just select list and we select our countries, our districts here. We select our districts. This is what we want to make a drop down with, and now we have a drop down, you see guys. So this is our drop down and we are done. This is very interesting. You can see when I select Maseru, it is populating employees that are from Maseru, those one that are from Berea, those one that are from Laribe. So this was my short video and trying to show you this interesting function that we can use. Thank you very much guys. Make sure that you like and hit that bell icon so that you cannot miss any more videos that are coming. Thank you.